TL Sport Aircraft is very excited to announce and debut at Sun and Fun 2024 the new Sparker that you see here behind me.
AOPA keeps flying safe, accessible, and fun by protecting your freedom to fly. We are the most trusted one-stop resource for all things related to general aviation. Become an AOPA pilot today.
TL Sport Aircraft has been in business since 1989. Operating an hour south-southeast of Prague, we have produced over 2,000 aircraft currently flying around the world. This is an aircraft that has been greatly anticipated. We offer 5 different aircraft in our lineup, 2 LSAs and 3 experimental amateur-built aircraft. The TL Sparker is nicely positioned between the LSA market and the GA market. This aircraft is more akin to a Cirrus, for example, than it is, say, our Sting or Sirius models. It has a 50-inch wide cabin. It's almost with 1 inch shy of the width of a Cirrus, with 3 G3X displays, cup holders that pop out of the dash or hold your iPhone or your iPad mini. You have heated leather seats. This aircraft boasts 175 knot cruise with a Rotax 916 IS on just under 8 gallons an hour. This aircraft was built for luxury cross-country flying. For those that just want to go up and punch holes in the sky, the aircraft is very well balanced, has an excellent harmony in the flight controls. It's fun to fly, fast roll rate, with excellent visibility, as you can see with that canopy. It's just a blast to fly. So the aircraft is an experimental amateur built with an accelerated build program that we provide at the factory. It is not a kit aircraft, it is finished at the factory. So this aircraft is already nicely positioned to fit right into the MLSA, or this new Mosaic category. It, as currently written and as proposed, it already fits inside those guidelines. The starting price point of this aircraft with 100 horsepower is about $327. And this aircraft will do 138 knots with 100 horsepower. With the turbo, with oxygen and full IFR, you're about 420,000. So what really separates the Sparker in the industry from a lot of others is the size. The fit and finish is top-notch. I think the Sparker is currently well positioned to fit nicely into this Mosaic category and really win a lot of pilots over that have traditionally flown GA aircraft, but don't want the cost and maintenance associated with that category.